Hi children, how are you? Today we will going to learn mathematics class 3 chapter name number work. We will do the work with the numbers, we will do the sums with the numbers. Okay. In the table below, color the boxes of the number from 1 to 10 red, the boxes of the number 11 to 20 green. Thus color all the boxes using different colors. So we have to divide the numbers in groups, that is from 1 to 10 we have to color in red or orange, whatever you want to do. The boxes from 11 to 20 in different color, and further from 21 to 30 in pink color or red color, whatever color you like to. That means you have to differentiate the numbers into groups 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. It's very simple. You can do this activity by your own self. Now writing the numbers from 26 to 99 in words. I know that all my children must be knowing how to write these numbers. We all are aware of this. 26, 27, TWENTY 28. You all are very smart to write from 26 to 99 in words. So you please write it down in your books so that it can help you further. 26 to 99 in words. Now we will see introducing 100. You must be knowing 100. You are familiar with 100, 100, 100 or ONE1 HUNDRED 100. You must have to done this in your introducing 100. You must be knowing how to write 100 in spellings or numbers. Here we will see the hundreds in different form. That is, here Tony, here are 100 candies. That means Tony has 100 candies. So sweet. Salma, I counted these bangles. They are 10 tens. That means introducing 100. You must be knowing how to write 100 in numbers and figures. Here we will see the 100 in different forms. Tony, here are 100 candies. Salma, I counted these bangles. They are 10 tens. That means each boxes are having 10 bangles. And how many boxes are there? There are 10 boxes. 10 boxes are there. Nandu, I scored a century. That means you must be watching the cricket, children. The a century means 100 again. Sonu, I bought 100 oranges. See this? How many oranges? See this basket? How many oranges are there? Almost 100 oranges are there in this basket. So 100. What do you mean by a? 100 means 100. So all of them are saying 100 in form of 100, century, 10 tens, 100 oranges. It's all together means 100 only. Now one way also we can say 100. Now one more way in which we can say 100. See, 5 notes of 20 rupees. You must be getting 5 notes of 20 rupees. So how will you say? It becomes 20 rupees का 5 notes होगा आपके पास. So what will it become? It will become 100 rupees. Now we will go further. Whole hundreds, hundreds. Now see in this your textbook. Guys, see in your textbook, 9 beads and 1 bead together make 10 beads. That means if we will join 9 beads with 1 beads, then obviously it will become 10 beads. See how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A group of 10 things is called a 10. That is in spelling, TEN, 10. What it is known as in spelling? TEN, 10. Okay, now we will go further. Here we are seeing this 2 digit. Now we will go ahead with the 3 digit number. How the 3 digits come? See all these beads. In first bit there are 10. In first thing there are 10 beads. Here also 10 beads. Here also 10 beads. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. How many tens are there? 9 tens are there. And here 9 beads are again there. So it will become 99. See, 99 beads plus 1, how much it will become? 100. So here we have introduced 100 as a 3-digit number. See, this 100 becomes the 3-digit number. 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. You know this, children. 99 is the biggest 2-digit number means वो सबसे बड़ा biggest digit है किसमें? 2-digit numbers में. 2-digit numbers में 99 is the biggest one. We get the 3-digit if we add 1. और हम लोगों ने जैसी 99 से 1 ऐड किया तो how much we get? We get 100. So this is our 3-digit number. The new place on the left in the 3-digit number 100 is the place of 100. So what is the place of 1 in this 3-digit number? 100. So how we will write? 100, tens and unit. 0, 0, 0. We will start from unit place. U, T, H. Okay. Now see these two bags. How many bags are there? 200 bags. H stand for 100. See, in this bags also H is written. Here also H is written. That means in these two bags, maybe it must be having some coins in this bag. 100 and 100. So 200, here 100, 200, 300, 300, 400, 500 bags and 900. Not bags are not 500. The money in each bag consists of 100. So all the bags together forms 500. That means इस बैग में 100 coins है, इस बैग में 100 coins है, इस बैग में 100 coins है, इस बैग में 100 coins है. This bag also had 100 coins. So together they will form 500. Now here the group of tens are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, all T written. T stands for tens. Okay. So 10 tens make 100. As we have seen earlier, 10 tens यानी आपके पास अगर 10 रुपीज़ की नोट होगी, 10 notes होगी तो how much it will become? तो कितना बनेगा आपका? It will become 100. Now here also how many tens are there? 20 tens are there. So it will make 200. Obviously here there are 40 tens. So how much it will become? 400. Here there are 50 tens. So how much it will become? Answer, children. Yes, exactly 500. I hope you understand this 100 concept clearly, how we get the 100 and how we denote it by H. Okay, H stands for 100. Now 3-digit numbers introduction. As we have seen, we add 99 to 1, it becomes 100. So 3-digit numbers introduction. See in this box, this box contains 100. This box contains 100 crayons and this single crayon. So it becomes, how we have written it? In 100 place 1, because the box consists of 100 crayons and tens. No tens are there, and for unit there is only 1 crayon over here. So how we will write it? We will write it 3-digit number. See, here we have written 100 place 1, tens place 0 and unit place 1, as you have seen in the textbook. So in figures how we will write it? 100 and 101. And in words how we will write? 101. What do you mean by 100? Means stands for 1 only. Now see the second example. 100 tens and unit. This is the place given over here. Okay, in unit place there is 2 and in tens place there is 0 and in 100 place there is 1. So how we will write in figures? 1. How we will write in figures? 102. In words we will write as 102. Here we have written 100 and here we have written 100. Both this means same only, 100 or 100, as we have seen in the introduction part. Now this 3-digit numbers, this you have in your textbook also, 3-digit numbers introduction. So you have to solve these examples. See, here there are 2 bags of hundreds are given. H stands for 100. One bag has 100 rupees coins, 100 coins, and second bag has 100 coins. So 2 bags have 200 coins. Okay, 1 tens, second tens, third tens, and fourth tens. Altogether, how many tens are there? 4 tens are there. And this dot stands for unit. It stands for unit. So how many U's are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have marked over here. For 100 we have marked 2 dots because 2 bags of hundreds are there. And for tens we have marked how many dots? 4 dots because 4 triangles are given for tens. Okay. And for units we have marked again 4 dots because 4 dots are given for unit. It is given in the textbook also. So we have marked in this way. So how in figures we will write? 244. Why 40? Because 4 tens are given. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens means 40. And 4 dots stands for 4 only, 4 unit. So in figure we will write 200. Why 2? Because 2 bags of 100 rupees coins are there. So 244. Now see, in words, how we will write? TWO2, 100 spelling HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 40, FOUR 4. So how in words we will write? 244. Now see the next example. Here 3 bags of hundreds are given. 1, 2, 3. H stands for 100. And only one tens is given. This T. And how many units dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how we will mark here? We will mark with the help of first 100. See here, H is given. So how much bags of hundreds are there? 1, 2, and 3. How many bags are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many tens are there? Only one. And how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what the number becomes in figure? 3, 1, 6. That means 316. 3, 1, 6. So we will write in figure 3, 1, 6. And in words, how we will write? 3, 100 and 16. Exactly how in words we will write? 316. I hope you got how to frame this. So you can solve this examples in your textbook for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 examples remaining, so you can solve it on your own. I have explained you how to solve it. Now we will see this 3-digit numbers, writing and reading. We will go a little bit ahead. So write the correct number in the boxes and read it aloud. Here some numbers are given and some spaces are blank. So you have to fill this blank. See 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. What will come over here? 106. I have written it for you. 107, 108, 109, 110. Likewise the same in this group also. From 211, 220 is given. So you have to fill the box. You can fill it by putting 215 after 214. And what will come after 217? 218. In this box also you can solve it. From 321 to 330, all the numbers are given. 431 to 440, all the numbers are given. So you can solve it out from 541, 550. So fill this all the boxes on your own and you can complete this exercise. This is very easy. You must have done it it's in your earlier standard. Now we will go further for making 3-digit numbers. I will explain you. See, this is our numbers 6, 7, and 8. So what we have to do, we have to make from this 3-digit numbers. Now for making 3-digit number, the first rule is you have to take, आपको एक नंबर को एक ही बार लेना है. You have to take one number only one time. आपको एक नंबर को एक ही बार लेना है. You cannot use it again and again. See how, if you are starting with 687, now You cannot write in the way 668, 887 or 776. So you cannot repeat the number. See how we will take. We will first write 6 over here. 6, 8 and 7. 6, 8 and 7. Now again we will take 6 first number. 6, 7, 8. So two different numbers formed, 6, 7 and 8. Now we will take 8 as the first number. So 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6. And now second number is 8, 6, 7. 8, 6, 7. So how many number we have framed? We have framed 4 number. First we have kept 6 as the first number. In the second example we have kept 8 as the first number. Now we will keep 7 as the first number. So 7, 8, 6 and the last number is 7, 6, 8. So how many numbers we framed over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have to repeat the number. That means we cannot say 6, 6, 8. We cannot repeat a number twice. See, in all the numbers, a single number is only there. We have not repeated the number. We have not repeated the 6, neither 7, neither 8. See, here also. It is not 6, 7, 7. It's 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6. All the numbers are different. Now say the second example, 3, 0, 7. So let's start making the numbers from this. How much number we can make from this? First we will take 3 as the first number. 3, 7, 0. What is the first number? 3, 7, 0. And what is the second number? 3, 0, 7. Okay, 3, 0, 7. Okay, now we will take 7 as the first number. So 7. So we will take 7 as the first number. 7. We will take 7 as the first number. 7, 0, 3. 7, 0, 3 and 7, 3, 0. 7, 3, 0. How many numbers are framed till here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more numbers? 2 numbers are remaining like this. We have to make 6 numbers, yeah, right? So we will take 0 as the first number. So 0, 3, 7 and 0, 7, 3. So now first see this 2 number. Is it possible to have a 0 at the first place in the 3-digit number? No. Why? This numbers will become 2-digit. So we cannot take 0 as the first number. Add this number will become 2-digit number. We want only 3-digit number. So 0 cannot be put at the first place. So our number will stop here only. This with this 4 numbers only. 370, 307, 703 and 730. So if 0 is there for making the number, so we will not keep it as the first number. We cannot keep it. We can keep it at the last. We can keep it between, but we cannot put it at the first place. So our number only 4 numbers have formed because 0 is also there in the number making. I hope you understand this. You can solve out the further examples given in your textbook. The number before and after. Now we will see the number before. Before means pehle ke number and after means baad wale number. So we will see the before and after number. How we will take out the before and after number. So 271 is our number. So we have to go for the big after number 272. 271 we got the after number. See, this is our after number 272. So what we have done, we have added 1 to it. Only we will add 1, so we will get 272. This is 271. After 271 what will come? 272. So if you will add 1 plus 1, so it becomes 2. Only we have add 1. Now see the before number 386. Before 386 what will come? 385. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 1. We have to minus 1 from 6. So we will get the before number, that is 385. So what is our conclusion? What is the difference between the two number? In both the cases there is only a single digit difference, that is only 1 is the difference. In the after case we have to add 1 and for the before number we have to subtract 1. So only 1 number difference is there. So we will see this exercise in your textbook. Read the numbers in the number strips below. See, all the number strips are given here. Numbers are given from 99 to 110, 215 to 226, 399 to 410. So we have to sort out this exercise. With the help of the number strips above, write the next numbers. We have to write the next number. So what is the next number of 105? What we have to do? We have to just add 1. So 106. What will be our next number? Our next number will be 106. 106. For 220, what will be our next number? We have to take out the next number. So for 220, what will be our next number? 2. We have to just plus 1 to 0 only to the unit place. So 221. What is the answer? 221. We have just added 1 to the unit place. Now 409. 409, we would have to add 1 to this. So what will our answer will become? If we will add 9 plus 1, so answer is 5. 409. If we will add 1 to 9, so our answer will be 410. What is our answer? 410. This you can sort it by yourself. With the help of the number strips above, write the number just before. Now we have to write the before number. For before, we have to subtract 1. 400. 400 is our number. So what will be the before 400? 399 exactly. And for 218, what will be the before number? 219. These two you can solve by yourself. With the help of the number strips above, write the numbers just before and just after. So just before number you have to write and just after number. Yani same way we will start the procedure. 217. So we have to subtract 1. What will be the answer? 216. And here we will add 1 with 217. So what will be our answer? 218. Here also 100 is given. So if we will subtract 1, here also 100 is given. If we will subtract 1 from 100, so our answer will be 99. And if we will add 1 to 100, so our answer will be 101. These two are your homework. Now see, by how much is the next number bigger than the given number? So the given number is 99. So how much is the next number bigger? 100. If the given number, जो दिया हुआ नंबर अगर हम लोग का 100 रहेगा तो नेक्स्ट नंबर कितने नंबर से इंक्रीज रहेगा? Only by 1. See, you can see here. If it is 100, so 101. What is the difference? What is the bigger digit? What is the difference? Only 1. कितना बड़ा है ये इससे? कितना? How much it is bigger? It is only bigger as 1. Okay, for 102 again 1. So what is our answer? 1 over here. By how much is the number just before? We are asking about the just before. Just before means थोड़ा ही पहले, उससे just पहले वाला, उससे एकदम पहले वाला नंबर. For example, if our number is 403, so 402 will be our answer. So the number just before is smaller than the earlier number by just 1. So मतलब पहले वाला नंबर कोई भी नेक्स्ट नंबर से जो दिया हुआ नंबर है, if our number is 403, so the before number will be smaller by just 1 digit. So only 1 we have to write here. What is the number we get by adding 1 to 435? If we will add 1 to 435, that means at the unit place if we will add 1, so what answer we will get? We will get 436. This 436 is the very next number to 435. यानी 435 के जस्ट बाद वाला नंबर कौन सा है? 436. अगर हम लोग 1 ऐड करेंगे 435 से तो we will get 436. What is the number we get by taking away 1 from 435? If we take away means subtract करना, minus करना. If we will minus 1, take out 1 from 435, we will get 434. This means just before number we are getting. Here we are getting before number and here we are getting after number, as I have explained this earlier. राइट द नंबर जस्ट बिफोर एंड द नंबर जस्ट आफ्टर, यानी जस्ट पहले वाला एक नंबर लिखना है हमको और एक बाद वाला. जैसे 119 इज गिवन, वी हैव टू राइट 118 because it is the before number, and 119 that is the after number 120. See, if we will add 1 to 119 we will get 120, and if we will subtract 1 so we will get 118. It is very simple. Here also you can see that is 200 given, so if we will minus 1 we will get the before number, that is 199, and if we will add 1 then what we will get, we will get the number just after, that is 201. See one more example. This is 707 is given. If we will subtract 1 so we will get the before number, that is 706, and if we will add 1 so we will get 708, just the number after. Write any three numbers that come after the given number. So we have to write any three number. Here it is given any three, not just आफ्टर, जस्ट आफ्टर इट इज़ नॉट गिवन, इट इज़ गिवन एनी 3 नंबर. दैट मीन्स हम लोग कोई भी नंबर लिख सकते हैं, एग्जैक्टली उसके बाद वाला नंबर लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ गिवन ओवर हियर 555. आफ्टर नंबर इज 600. एनी नंबर कैन बी देयर, इट कैन बी 700, 709, 800. okay, 650, 977, but not the before number. Before number can be 406, 499. See here 399. So just number after, just after number, no, we have to write any 3 number that comes after. So we will write here 405 and 506 and one more number 600. okay, so these are the after numbers. Any number we can write, any 3 numbers come after the given number. So these are any number. कोई भी नंबर लिया है हम लोग ने, उसके जस्ट बाद वाला नंबर नहीं लिया है, कोई भी नंबर, उसके बाद में आने वाला कोई भी नंबर. Write any 3 numbers that comes before the given number. So here it is given an example. 500 is given, तो 500 के पहले क्या आता है, 407. नॉट जस्ट पहले पर लेकिन उससे पहले आता है, कभी भी आ सकता है. दैट मीन्स 500 से स्मॉलर नंबर हमको लिखना है. वी कैन से दैट 407, 312 इज़ ऑल्सो स्मॉलर देन 500 and 99 is also smaller than 500. So here the example is given 601. So we can write here 509. okay, and for smaller 400. okay, and one more digit 301. So we have taken all the digits, that is 300, 400 and 500. We have taken all the hundreds over here. 601, the number before any number can be write. So we have solved this examples. Now we will see the smaller and bigger number. We will denote it by this sign. Let's see how. You must have seen this earlier, but I will explain you more detail for 3 digit using symbols to show smaller and bigger number. This is the symbol for smaller and this is the symbol for greater. See how. This is the mouth of a hungry crocodile. He is a hungry crocodile. See, his mouth is such big. कितना बड़ा है ना इसका माउथ. इसका माउथ कहाँ पे ओपन होगा, जब वो बहुत ज़्यादा हंग्री होगा. बहुत ज़्यादा हंग्री होगा तो उतना ही बड़ी चीज़ खाएगा. यानी इफ़ अ नंबर इज़ बिगर, दैट इज़ 56, सो दिस माउथ, एंड इफ़ अ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज़ 45, सो वेयर द माउथ विल बी ओपन. कहाँ ओपन होगा ये माउथ उसका, 56 के पास, बिकॉज ये क्रोकोडाइल बहुत ही ज़्यादा भूखा है. और अगर हमारा नंबर होगा 37 and 29, so where it will open his mouth, it will open his mouth towards 37 because 37 is greater than 29. ये क्रोकोडाइल हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा हंग्री है, इसीलिए वो बड़े नंबर की तरफ अपना माउथ को ओपन करेगा. नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट. इफ़ आवर नंबर इज 65 and 99. 99, so which is the greater number, 99. So our hungry and greedy crocodile will open the mouth to 99. So this is the sign for smaller and this is the sign for bigger. See, we will say 6, the first number. We are talking about the first number. Here the first number, that is 35, 29 से bigger था, but here we will say 65 is smaller. किससे smaller है? 55 is smaller than 99. सो हमारा हंग्री क्रोकोडाइल कहाँ उसका मुंह ओपन हो गया? 99 पे. सो दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर स्मॉलर एंड दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर बिगर. किसके लिए? ओनली पहले वाले नंबर्स के लिए बोला जाता है कि 37 इज, इफ इट्स माउथ ओपन ईयर टू 37 यू विल से 37 इज ग्रेटर देन 29 एंड ईयर इट्स माउथ इज ओपनिंग टू 99 बिकॉज 99 इज ग्रेटर देन 65. सो इन अदर वर्ड वी कैन से दैट 65 इज स्मॉलर देन 99. हम लोग ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि 99 65 से बड़ा है, लेकिन पहले नंबर के लिए बताने के लिए हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? 65 इज स्मॉलर देन 99. सो वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज नाउ. Now using symbol to show smaller and bigger number. So first all the numbers say which number is bigger and which number is smaller. We have to tell here which number is bigger and which number is a smaller. So see, 8 and 2 is given. You are very smart to know this. The smaller number is 2. Obviously 2 छोटा है किससे? 8 से, and 8 is the bigger number. So आप crocodile mouth will open to 8. एग्जैक्टली किसकी तरफ माउथ ओपन होगा? 8 की तरफ माउथ ओपन होगा. नाउ 77 and 59 is given. So where our crocodile mouth will be open to? 77. So where we will write 77? Here for the bigger number, and smaller number will be 59. This you can solve by yourselves using the symbol. So now we will show by the symbol. Here we have written only smaller and bigger number. We have not used the symbol. Now we will use the symbol, this crocodile mouth symbol. Okay, so see here 5 dots are given, 1 2 3 4 5, and here only 2 dots are given. So which is the greater one? Obviously 5. So our crocodile mouth will open towards 5. And here 2 dots are given, and here on the right side it is given 1 2 3 4 5. So our mouth will open toward 5. So here we can say that 5 is greater than 2. This sign stands for greater than. What we will say? Greater than, and this sign stands for 2 is smaller than 5. This signs for smaller than. For whom? For this first number only. It stands for first number. हम लोग पहले नंबर के लिए ही बोलते हैं हमेशा कि पहला नंबर दूसरे नंबर से बड़ा है या तो पहला नंबर दूसरे नंबर से छोटा है. So see here 27 is given and 40 given. So which is the bigger number? Obviously 40. So the crocodile mouth will open to 40. And 91 is given and 49 is given. So which is the bigger number? Again 91 is the bigger number. So crocodile mouth will open toward 91. So we can say that 27 is smaller than. If these points come here, so we will say smaller than. The first number is smaller than 40, and here 91 is given and this mouth is opening to 91, so we will say greater than. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we will do this exercise. Write the correct symbol in the box. Already first example is given. 10 is greater than 9, so the crocodile mouth is opening towards 10. We will see this. 50 is greater than 49. Obviously 50 49 के बाद में आता है हमारे नंबर ब्लॉक्स में, so we will open the mouth to 50. 499 is smaller than 500. 5 is bigger than 4. See, the first number is bigger, so we will open the mouth toward 500. Here 23 is smaller than 25, so 25 is the greater number. We will use this sign. Now again see, 600 is greater than 400. 400 is the smaller number, so the crocodile mouth will open towards 600. I hope you understand all the number concept from this chapter. So if you have any doubt, so please ask us in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.